Hello everyone, I am Menendra Surve. Now today I am going to show you my IJSRD journal certificates, uh, and this is nothing but International Journal for Scientific Research and Development. So they have courier me these certificates, and I am going to show you the all journal certificates along with this publisher review certificate also. So in this journal, what is important, if you are BTech student or uh, then you can publish your research paper in any journal. That is nothing but if it is a paid, that is also accepted. As you are BTech student, so you can publish your maybe a review paper or research paper in paid journal or non-paid journal. It is very difficult to publish your paper in reputed journals without paid, because it will takes a lot of times, such as 4 months, 6 months. So either for your benefits purpose, you are BTech students, so you can upload your papers on paid journal so that it can be published within a few days. This is the publisher review certificate, and these are the certificates. This is my own certificate, and these four certificates are of my students. Under the guidance of me, they have done one project and they had published their paper in IJSRD journals. So what is the important thing? This journal give this certificate to you, and also you know the reviewer name. So what is the reviewer name? Here mentioned clearly, Professor R.N. Vagala. So and here is the my manuscript number. Again here is the my article title and research area of the article. This is in mechanical field, so that's why here putting, and the main author is my name. And along these 10 topics, they have clearly show here is the fully agree, partial agree and disagree. These are the credits that are the given by reviewer to you. From that, first topic is a title construction and manuscript was good, so fully agrees. Then introduction covers each part of work done area, that is also agree. So what is important terms here is the all metrics were covered which was used in the work. Method was described in details. These are the key points. Then the result was discussed with mathematical model application. Again, 9 point is result was discussed with mathematical model application. So they have mentioned as fully agree. Acknowledgement was described all help which was received during the work. And last one is most important one, that is nothing but I do not have any objection if this work was published in this journal. So they in that column they given the fully agreement, yes. And this is the logo of that journal, and here it is some email ID and website of that journal is also provided. So this is also important certificate as per your BTech student. So in a lockdown, you can publish your work though it was a paid, that doesn't matter. Once you get certificate, that is the betterment for a future your career, as point of view career. So these are my students name, sorry, this is my own name. I am author of that journal, Menendra Surve. This is my one of the student name, Avinash Nate. He is from also BTech. Adesh Bonkar, then Suraj Murkar, and the Mandar Khadtar. So these all four students under the guidance of me, they have done this project, and the title of this paper that we have published, that name is Review It is a review paper, not a research paper. A review on design of slider crank, rack and pinion mechanism for half orbital motion for gas agitation system. One more important thing I want to tell you that you have to publish your papers. Why do we publish papers? Publishing can also bring tangible benefits to author, and that providing self-interested motivation for writing and publication paper. So you have to remember these cases. Again, can anyone publish a research paper? So yes, you can. You don't need to enroll or working at a university to have a research paper published. So anyone can publish a research paper. You can publish papers without PhD. Yes, it is possible to get paper published without having a PhD. So now I am going to tell you a common benefits of publishing paper. So that are nothing but improves writing skill. This is also one of the important benefit that is getting from the publishing a paper. Helps in knowledge upgradation. So your knowledge is going to be increasing day by day. Third one is keeps me updated. So this is also important thing if you are in doing a research. Teaches me about a literature survey. That is also important thing. Make me happy. And again, creates a set of knowledge for others. That is also important point. Appreciate my work, and last one is nothing but publicity to my work. So these are the key points, and I will suggest all of my BTech students, please do your publications. They may be a paid or non-paid. So this will increase your motivation. This will increase your confidence level. For once you did the paper in paid journal, then you can do your paper in non-paid journals too. So thank you for watching my channel.